so we're back. Been having some trouble with my G7X. The audio sounds muffled, so I'm gonna have to record this on my iPhone. Hopefully everything goes good. But in today's video, we're gonna be installing my HKS single exhaust. This is a 3-inch. This is a catback exhaust. So let me head over to my brother's house. I have all the equipment right here, and the jack is in the back, and he has jack stands. So I'll see you guys over there. Okay guys, so I just made it to my brother's house. The S2000 is inside the garage, as you guys can see. My exhaust. This is a HKS single exhaust, and then this is my test pipe. So this is one piece of the exhaust, and then here's the other. I have the burnt titanium. Here's all the hardware, but I'm currently just letting the car cool down.
Ever had a dreams that you could.
And yeah, my brother's gonna help me. Just out there doing work. Like, look at the top of his head. So you guys saw the startup and a little bit of the reps. So I'll show you guys after. So. We just took the stock exhaust off. All it really was is a hanger. You have a brace right here that it has 10 mils and 14 mils. So there's that. Okay guys, so we just installed the, Jesus Christ. Sorry. It's okay, my phone was on there. We just installed the mid pipe. The nut size and the bolt size are, the back ones are 17 and these are 15. And then the O2 sensors are 22 mil. Be careful because it's really sensitive and it'll strip pretty easy. But yeah, next we're gonna install the very end. Okay guys, so for this part, you are gonna need to remove the diff mount, just this one and this one. That way you can add an extra hanger. These are size 17, both of these. And then these are size 14, I believe. But yeah, you're just gonna remove these two pieces, and then you're gonna want to install, let me see the piece where I have it. Let me go get it actually. So this is the piece that you're gonna install. It's gonna go right here, this. And yeah, that's what you install. You don't need, you aren't gonna use these, you're gonna use just the diff mounts, but these are for the this part, for the mid pipe. But yeah, let me do this real quick and I'll show you guys. I'll update you guys when I'm done. So as you guys can see, I added the diff mount plate right here. So what you're gonna want to do is take one of your OEM what's it called, exhaust hangers, and install it in there. And then you're gonna attach the muffler, and that should be it. I just finished tightening everything up. I didn't show this part, but this brace needs to come off. So it'll be 2 14 mils, a 10 mil, another 10 mil, and then 2 more 14 mils. So you need to take this brace off. That way you can pull the exhaust on, the OEM one. But I'll show you guys when I'm done. I'll start it up that way you guys can hear it as well. Okay guys, so the exhaust is done. Sorry the video was really choppy. It was just me by myself most of the time, so I couldn't record and talk to you guys while doing the work. But here's what the exhaust looks like. So this is a single exit exhaust with the burnt tip. And sorry, I had to close the garage because the neighbor was mowing, so I didn't want you guys to hear that. But yeah, as I was saying, this is the burnt exhaust tip from HKS. This is a HKS Hi Power Single exit exhaust. It's a 3-inch all the way over there to the where the cat should be, but there's a test pipe, so it's pretty easy install. You guys should be able to do it. But I'll link some videos down below of like these. I think they're from the UK. They installed it and like they have it pretty detailed because they have a lift. But yeah, let me put the car down and I'll show some exhaust clips. So I might not be able to rev it just because this isn't my property. So I'll go somewhere else and I'll rev it and I'll show you guys what that sounds like. But yeah, can't wait to see how it sounds and I'll show you guys in a bit. See ya.